The final's error code TFLA0002 PC. Fire up your web browser on your computer. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or whatever you like to use. Go to the Embark website. Once you're on the Embark website, look around for something that says Steam. Give it a click. They'll probably ask you to log into your Steam account. Do that with your Steam username and password. Weirdly enough, after logging in, they might want you to click Sign In again. So, just go ahead and do that. Create a new Embark ID. Give them your date of birth and email, then hit Continue. Now your Steam and Embark accounts are linked. If the error is still hanging around, consider the Unlink button. It's like breaking up with your accounts. They'll warn you that you might lose some progress. Confirm this breakup by typing Unlink in big letters. Okay, now you've got to do the linking dance again. Click on Steam, log in, make a new Embark ID, the whole shebang. Confirm that your Steam and Embark accounts are buddies now. No more errors, fingers crossed. Try playing the finals or whatever game was giving you trouble. Is the error still there? Hopefully not. If this tutorial helped you kick that TFLA0002 error to the curb, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really makes a difference. And if you want more tech tips and gaming guides, hit that subscribe button. Congratulations, you've just leveled up as a tech wizard. Until next time, happy gaming.